Hi, welcome to Dyson vacuum spares. Today I'm going to show you how to attach DC59, DC58, DC61, DC62 and the V6 animal mini Motorhead assembly to the wand assembly. Pretty straightforward. This is your mini Motorhead, this is your wand assembly. You've got both ends. It's this end, basically attach the wand on, clicks, there you go. To release, press the button, pull, and that'll come out. And the other end will obviously go onto your machine, which will attach to the bin assembly. Pretty straightforward. Please visit our website at www.dysonvacuumspares.co.uk. Thank you.